Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is lecture number 2 in the continuation of lecture 1, subject verb agreement, or we can say in different books sometime is error of proximity, or sometime it is written in other books as a principle of proximity, sometime parallelism, sometime there is a resemblance between subject and predicate, sometime balance between the both portions. In this regards, I have highlighted my previous lecture on that, in which I have told you subject and verb are divided into various ways. In subject, I have told you that this subject is in numbers, either in plural or in singular or in neutral, or sometime countable or sometime uncountable, or sometime we have various ways to make singular and plural, in different ways to understand how subject carry to verbs. And same case with subject as another portion was pronoun. We discussed in detail about personal pronoun, in which we discuss accusative case, nominative case, genitive case, and reflexive pronoun, in order to understand how they are made as singular subject or plural subjects. In that subject, I have told you one more point, that was adjective as a subject. Adjective plus noun, either singular or plural, or adjective before putting definite article carry as plural subject. We discuss in this way. Second portion I have told you, I have discussed with you, that was verb. Verb was divided into two parts. That was one verb divided into helping verb and main verb. In helping verb, again they are narrowed down in two ways. Helping verb, I mean auxiliary verb, or modal verbs. They are totally 11 and 16, total 27. And they are even show their number in present or past. Main verbs, I have told you, there are 4 forms of verbs: present, past, past participle, and present participle. And these 4 forms of verbs are even divided into 3 portions: regular, or weak, strong form of verb. Other one, irregular or weak form of verb, and third one is same form of verbs. I have told you even the total forms of verb and the regular irregular shapes have 2 ways to written in sentences, whether they are transitive and intransitive one. We will discuss this transitive and intransitive in next sort of portion or session, to discuss how to carry object or not. When we discuss all these things together, we come to the conclusion this way. And keep in your mind one thing, students, that I am talking about this one from class first year, exercise number 3 and 4. And the same exercise you will even find from Renan Martin's book, High School English Grammar, from page number 230, where you will find in details all these things in this way. Even I will send through the page some papers, so you may even download all these things to understand in proper ways. Now coming towards the lecture, this is the example, as I have told you, from the perspective of the diagram as I have drawn in previous lecture. The boy or the dog, you know, these are singular subjects, and they are singular subjects. They carry s or es. Now this shows that this is what? This is singular verbs, and singular subject carries singular verb. They are balanced, or they are proximity, and they are matchable, and they are resembling or balanced between the both. Same, dog barks, peasant is sipping tea, peasant is sipped tea. This shows that if subjects are singular, the verb would be singular. How to put verbs or helping verbs is has, am, is, a verb with s or es. They show singular helping verbs, and we will even make changes in verbs, not in subjects, if it is required. Same case is in plural shape or in plural. The boys swam at the lake. Here you will find what? You will find here there are the mistakes here. See, the boy. This is boys is plural. We will match in this way. If subject is plural, then verb would be plural. The dogs plural. We will put V1 without S or N. Farmers are plural, and we will use here present participle. Farmers we will use past participle. In this way, we will understand basic thing that if subjects are singular, we will put singular verbs. If subjects are plural, we will match plural verbs there. We have these 5 examples, rules of this one with I would say only and. If you think if we have 2 subjects and we put and between the both subjects, it is usually called what? It is usually called that we will agree or we will put plural verbs. But actually it is not like that. We have these 5 different rules or basic rules of and, in which we can understand this one. Rule number 1: subject joined by and are usually plural and take plural verb. Subject जे करें बहन हिकड़े जुमले में विच में एंड तो अचे पियो त ज्यादातर उन्हनि में असां वर्ब में प्लूरल इस्तेमाल कंदा आहियूं. जीअं हे जुमला आहिनि: स्मोकिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग आर इंजुरियस या हैज़र्डस टू हेल्थ. ख़बर आहे त हेल्थ जे लाइ ही अलॻि कयूं ऐं ही अलॻि कयूं त इहे ॿई इंजुरियस थींदा आहिनि. वरी अचो हिन जे एग्जाम्पल में सी बट if noun suggests one idea to the mind to the same person. किसो present जो gerund noun जा हिते बिठाया आहिनि smoking and drinking. मां हेॾे बि लिखिया आहिनि drinking and driving. क्या लिखियो? Drinking and driving causes. हिते हुयो are माना plural. हिते आहे causes माना singular. Drinking and driving causes many highway accidents and casualties. See, a man cannot be dead when he drinks. Man cannot be often dead when he drives anything. If it happens, no man can drink, no man can drive. But when you drink and drive simultaneously, when you drink at the same time and drive, we drive and be in drunk, naturally it will make some what you call casualties or accidents or something like that. So see, drinking and driving in a simultaneous action, it will done this one. Now coming towards the rule. But if noun suggests one idea to the mind to the same person, what will happen? It will happen in this way. Drinking and driving cause many highway accidents. Coming towards this area, subject joints by a are usually plural and take plural forms. His laptop, this one. Second one, his laptop and my iPad were stolen from the desk. I mean, these are 2 subjects. They both are stolen from the desk. That's why we use plural verb. Next, he and I were both singular subjects. This one is third person and this one is first person. But when we make some sequence of sentences in double or in triple, we use plural forms. Though we have some rules. of this sequence of verb, whether they are positive sentences or negative sentences, we'll discuss later on. But this is subject in plural. We use plural verb. Karachi in decade ago. He and I were in Karachi a decade ago. Fire and water do not agree. Fire and water, these are two things, that's why we use the plural verb. Fifth one, knowledge and wisdom are heavenly things. Sixth one is 2 and 2 make 4. Same thing is here, as I have told you. I have underlined all the subjects. They carry the same things. Same are. See, drinking and driving, I mean bad activities as shown while driving is same, single one. See, slow and steady wins the race. What is that? That is constant combatant, constant struggle. Slow and steady means continuous struggle. So one single idea, continuous, one single idea we use as a single idea. The same person is called as this way. Drink slow and steady wins the race. We use singular verb there. Time and tide waits for none. What is time and tide? And is mentioned. It thinks that we should have plural verb, but time and tide is the same. What? The time or some current situation or the circumstances, current circumstances of the life we use in this way. Fifth one, bread and butter is his only livelihood. What is that? Bread and butter. Bread and butter is our livelihood. Bread and butter is source of income, source of earning, source of livelihood. That's why used in the singular is. Bed and breakfast, that is facility. In the hotels, in the motels, in the hotels, wherever you have been given the facility, bed and breakfast was charming in this way. So this is the rule where we can discriminate that and is not the ultimate answer to make a plural verb, but it can be singular as well. Coming towards rule number 3. Remember and keep in your mind, two nouns connected by referring to a same person, then we must use singular verb. Same is written here. I have not written here. Same statement for rule number 3. Rule number 3 में जगह statement या है भी, पर हिन्ने statement में possessive pronoun, हिन्ने statement में articles. Possessive pronoun ता previous lecture में genitive case पढ़ो केड़ो my I mine, his her their your ये शायन possessive या genitive cases आएं. आर्टिकल खबर आर्टिकल बहुंगा डिफरेंट असाने दे डिटेल में ॻाल्हाईंदा से ए आई एन इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल बियो आहे द या दी जेको आहे डेफिनिट आर्टिकल चेतो त इनन में जेकरे बिनी पासन दे टू नाउन्स connected by referring to the same person, then we must use singular verbs. किए हिते ॾिसो हिते लिखला my mother and closest friend. खबर आहे असांखे जाते सुपरलेटिव डिग्री हूंदी आहे असांखे उते द जो इस्तेमाल डेफिनेट आर्टिकल जो इस्तेमाल करणो हूंदो आहे. बट here is not used. It is not an error. It is not a mistake or blunder. But my article even understood from here. हिन जी माना हिकिड़ी ॿी इहा बि थिए थी भई हिन जो मतिलबु आहे जेका हिन जी हीअ मदर आहे इहा ई हिन जी कॉन्फिडेंट आहे. कॉन्फिडेंट मीन्स राज रखण वारी. हिन जे लाइ छा थो चए पियो माय मदर एंड क्लोजेस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट बूस्ट एस ॾिनल आहे हिन में. There is used as, it means this is the same mother and his closest confidant. No use of article in the here. If we use the article over here, that would be two persons. And if we remove it, that is not mistake, but it will be considered as just single subject. Now confident boost my self-esteem. Same way, my roommate, we are talking about possessive pronoun. My roommate and best friend. रूममेट भी आए ऐं हुन जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी आए ॿई थी सघनि था पिया. एंड इज यूज्ड. इट डजंट मीन हियर इज आर्टिकल बेस्ड definite article is missing, it means my is used for both and these are the both same person. My roommate and best friend call him coward. Means the qualities of the person, that roommate, a person has roommate and he is his best friend, same person. His son and heir, taken from your textbook, film textbook. His son and heir was born on August 6. You know, heir, not heir. Heir carries article, indefinite article and heir. But we are not putting any article here. It means possessive pronoun is used and after and there is no anyone. It means son, his son, only son. Son and here is the same one and born on 6th August. Same one. That's why we used was. Same way, my aunt and guardian wants me to apply in forces. Student, do you know what is different between force and forces? Whenever ace is used in force, it means army, it means navy, it means air forces, like that we use in this way, air force. So this is the same case with articles. If you use in both subjects only one article from the beginning, it would be considered as a single man, and we will put here single sort of things here. See, the professor and principal of college is my father's friend. Now here is a professor, same person is principal as well, simultaneously considered as his father's friend. That father जो दोस्त भी आए, दोस्त ना निकलो या इन्हें लेकर इतने आर्टिकल सिर्फ इतने हिकड़ो पहला इतने एब्सेंट आ कुछ भी ना है पहल, सिंगुलर नाउन भी आए ना है पहल, पजेसिव प्रोनाउन भी ना है पहल. याद कर जो जुमलन में या पजेसिव प्रोनाउन हो जे या आर्टिकल हो जे या बई हुजन आर्टिकल हुजन या पजेसिव प्रोनाउन हुजन त वो वर्ब पेलुलर थींदो. पर हिनन में मां अलग अलग करे रखियो आहे. हिते पजेसिव प्रोनाउन पहिरें में आहिनि, ॿिए में न आहिनि, इहे सिंगुलर आहिनि. आर्टिकल पहिरें में आहिनि, एंड खां पोइ न आहिनि, इहो बि सिंगुलर माना उन जे मुताबिक़ हूंदो. द प्रोफेसर एंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कॉलेज इज माय फादर्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. सिंगुलर इस्तेमाल थींदो, हिते बि इज इस्तेमाल कईसीं. नेक्स्ट, a good man and useful citizen, singular, has passed away. Same qualities, good man as well as useful citizen. Person is one, has two qualities and used with and used singular verb has in the sentences. The principal and secretary is in the office. From the text, the principal and the secretary is in the office. The author and editor is invited to dinner. Same, the author is there and editor is there. Two profession is there, but they are possessed by the same person and we use as there. I again will repeat the same thing. Whenever we understood that the subject, whether singular or with and, when they are putting there, we have to decide that if subject is singular, then we have to put verb singular. Verb singular kehda hai? Ya yo is hundo, ya yo was hundo, ya yo has hundo, ya yo verb mein s ya es hundi, ya wari jekade past ta had hundo, par had ji b quality bi aaye kehdi, the had singular bhi hundo, had plural bhi hundo. अहिड़े तरीक़े सां डिड बि ईअं ई हूंदो आहे, या पास्ट जो जेको सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हूंदो आहे उहो बि ईअं ई हूंदो आहे. जेकर लिखियलु हुजे, रोट लिखियलु हुजे, इट मीन्स इन जी सब्जेक्ट जे अॻियां सिंगुलर बि अची सघे थो, प्लूरल बि अची सघे थो. सो इन्हनि शयुनि खे ज़रूरु बेसिक शयूं आहिनि, उन्हनि खे नोट करणो आहे उन जे मुताबिक़. कमिंग टुवर्ड्स रूल नंबर 5. हाणे रूल नंबर 5 छा थो चए पियो? रूल नंबर 5 में असांखे इहा ई पॉइंट ॿुधाई वई आहे, कहिड़ी? ही बि खणी अचो, हे बि खणी अचो. हाणे इन्हनि में जेकॾहिं हिन खे लिखियलु आहे माय मदर एंड द इस्तेमालु कयो, माय रूममेट एंड द बेस्ट, हिज ओनली सन एंड हेयर, द प्रिंसिपल एंड द सेक्रेटरी, द ऑथर एंड द एडिटर हैज इनवाइटेड टू द डिनर. जेकॾहिं अहिड़े क़िस्म जूं असां सिचुएशन इस्तेमालु कंदासीं what will happen there? See the sentences. You will see here, when we put here another article in the after and, put article after and are possessive, are both. What will happen there? We use such kind of sentences here. See, the president and the prime minister are in the office. See, are. What is there? The president, see here. The president and the prime minister are in the office. Second one, the principal and the secretary. The principal and the secretary are in the office. Third one, the accountant and the cashier. ठीक आहे बना जगह असां ब आर्टिकल इस्तेमाल कयूं आर्टिकल कहिड़ा हुजनि ए हुजे एन हुजे ऐं द हुजे हिते बि माना ईअं आहे माय या हिते बि को हिज या हिते माय पला हिते योर लिखियल हुजे हिते हिज लिखियल हुजे साॻियो हिते हिज लिखियल हुजे माना अहिड़े क़िस्म जा ईअं अलॻि अलॻि आर्टिकल इस्तेमालु थियल हुजनि त उन्हनि में असां अहिड़े क़िस्म जूं इस्तेमालु कंदासीं असांजो हिन खां पोइ वरी जेका नेक्स्ट उन में हूंदी वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू यूज़ pronouns either and are, we how to use instead of and we have many other words are there. For example, very important one, as well as, it takes reflects the same meaning in and, but you know we have some another regulations there about the rules, as well as, with, along with, except, including, addition to, we have to discuss all these about that one. And we have either are, whether are, neither nor, and we have to use whether, singular to singular noun, plural to plural noun, singular to plural noun, plural to singular noun. These are nouns, but same principle applied in pronouns. Whether first person, second person, second person, second person, third person, first person, how can they be applied with verb in this regards? Hope you will understand this basic concept of and, how to apply and with articles, with the concept of same idea, and how to understand this one and put in this regards in this way. So hope so you have understood this one. Next day we will again continue from the rule number 6 and we will discuss all things about and proceed up to the 40 rules of subject verb agreement. Thank you very much and have a nice day.